In this video, we're going to talk about improper fractions and mixed numbers and how to interconvert between them. Now, when you look at these two fractions, notice that the numerator is greater than the denominator. When you see that, what you have is an improper fraction. Now, how can we convert these improper fractions into mixed numbers? You could use long division. Another way in which you can do it is you can break up this fraction into two smaller fractions. What is the highest multiple of 5 that's less than 22? This will be 20. So I'm going to break up 22 over 5 into 20 over 5 plus 2 over 5, because 20 plus 2 is 22. Now, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And so we have 4 plus 2 over 5. When you have a whole number and a fraction, you can write them as a mixed number. 4 2/5 is the same as 4 plus 2 over 5. So that's basically what a mixed number is. A mixed number is basically a combination between a whole number and a fraction. It's the sum of a whole number and a fraction. Now, 18 over 7. How can we convert that improper fraction to a mixed number? Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it. Now, the highest multiple of 7 under 18 is 14. And 18 minus 14 is 4. So 18 over 7 can be written as 14 over 7 plus 4 over 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So we have 2 plus 4 over 7. And we can write that as a mixed number, 2 4/7. So that's a quick and simple way of how you can convert an improper fraction to a mixed number without using long division. Now, let's try these two examples. Let's go the other way. Let's convert the mixed numbers into an improper fraction. To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, here's what you can do. First, keep the denominator the same. Next, multiply the whole number by the denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. And then add the numerator. Plus 2, that's 17. So the answer is going to be 17 over 5. Let's do the same thing for the other one. Let's keep the denominator the same. Let's multiply the whole number by the denominator. 4 times 7 is 28. Add the numerator, plus 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. So 4 3/7 is 31 over 7 as an improper fraction.